Now, let me go to my GitHub now. Okay. This is my profile, for example, and I am following these guys. One of them is Ryan coding, okay?
Okay.
I have Ryan here, Ryan coding here. I'll go to his popular repository. And I can see all his coding. I can see all his jobs. And I think that I love this code and I want to work on this code on my own system. Okay? So in Ryan coding, in this repository, on this green button, I copy this address with hitting this symbol. Okay. Now I open my CMDR. Also create a folder Ryan coding. Okay.
Okay.
I copy the Ryan coding and went to that Ryan coding. Okay. And I should copy this again because I use my copy again. I copy this address from this green button here and come to my CMDR. Look at this useful and very, very important comment. Git clone and Control V to paste that address from Ryan coding GitHub and hit enter. Very good. Now ls to see what I have here. I have a folder called Python coding. You can also see here Python coding. And as you can guess, I have all your code here. Now I can open your test py. Yeah, Ryan name is Hello World. And I add a comment to it. Go to, for example, ls cd py, hit tab to go to Python coding. It has Git on it. Git log. Yeah, I can see also your commits. You first created your first commit on Saturday, March 18, and another file here in let me create Python test create Ryan .py. Yes. Open with VS Code. Int Ryan is so smart. Thing. I have Ryan.py on the Python test. I go to Python test, Control L to clear here. cd, go to Python test, Git init. This is very important to let Git monitor my activity. Git init. Now you can see master, Git status. I have one file ryan.py, git add dot, again git status, git commit dash m quotation. This is my first commit. You can see it in Git log. Yeah, Moto Saini created it. Now I want to now we want to push this code. I want to push this code to my GitHub, my own profile. Look at the repositories I have here. I should to create a new repository. I call it Python test, but it is arbitrary. You can choose it whatever you want. I create my repository, and the next procedure is here. If I didn't have any commit in my code, I should to also do the first 4 lines of this code, but no need to do that. I just copy this line of code, git branch main. It just changed the master to main, the name of my master branch, and there is no need to do this part of code, but it is arbitrary. But if you don't change it, you should work with master name. Now that we have changed the name master to main, or here we create a remote with this code git remote add, and we call that origin. After origin, we have to link to our repository. With this git remote -v, we can see that what is origin. So origin, this links has allocated somehow to the origin with this line of code. And now, except that we can use with the origin name, except that the full URL name. So I just can write git push -u origin, which refer to that links, and main, which refers to my main branch. And done. The code pushed to my repository. And now if I go to my GitHub profile and refresh that page again, it is created and the code has pushed in my repository very perfectly. I come here and just refresh the page. This is a procedure you will do a lot in creating repository and push your code to your profile. And this is it. Now the code is in my GitHub repository and everyone can use that code if he or she wants. There are also some other repositories here. This is now my newest repository, which is Python test with Ryan.py and it.